In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward Gmail emails to another account. So let's start by heading over to the Gmail application and clicking on your settings icon in the top right navigation. Then we need to select See All Settings. From the top navigation, click on Forwarding and POP. And then right at the top, you'll see this option of forwarding and select Add a forwarding address. Now you'll just need to enter the email address of where you want to forward these emails to. Once you've entered your new email address, press Next. And then you may need to go through this two-factor verification in order to make the changes. Once you've verified your account, select Proceed. And then you'll get this window saying a confirmation link has been sent to your new email address. So what we need to do now is just press OK. And then what we need to do is head over to the inbox of our new email address. In the inbox of your new email account, you'll have an email that looks like this. And all we simply need to do is copy this link. So I'm going to right click it and select copy link address. And then we're going to go back to our original email and then just paste the URL in like this and hit enter. Then it will ask you to confirm. Just click on the confirm button. And now, just like that, we've forwarded all of our email addresses from this old email to this new email. So the last thing we need to do before it's activated is to head back over to the inbox of our original email account, click back on the settings icon and select See All Settings, click back on Forwarding and POP, and next to forwarding, we want to select Forward a copy of incoming email to, and this is where we select our new email account. And then you can decide what you want to do with the emails in this inbox. So you can either keep the email in your inbox, you can delete it or archive it. I'm just going to select Keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, and then we can scroll all the way down to the bottom and press Save Changes. And that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.